Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my year of savings. And I usually have $100 to go towards my year of savings. But this week I have $200 because I am trying to play catch up with my videos. So let's get started. All right. So let's do our every Friday of 2025. And so we are going to do June 6th and the 13th, which is $19. So let's go ahead and get that done. How are you guys doing? Hope everyone is doing okay. So let me get 19. So that's 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Perfect. And if you're new here, I am putting this towards an extra payment towards debt. So each month I just add up how much was saved and put that extra payment towards debt. And we have our weekly savings created by Norella's Budgets. And we are going to do 2 rows. And with this, I am rolling a D8, a D8, and this is saving for my son's senior year. So let's get 2 rows here. So we have a 4, and we have a 4. So a total of $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. And put that in here. And next we have our say $5 per icon, and it's $25 a month. So we are going to do 2 icons, I believe. Or should I do 3? Let's go ahead and do 3. Let's do 3 icons. So let's go ahead and color in the flip-flops. So, I'm just going to outline the box. So 5, 10, and $15. So we get a little head start on that one. So let's do, that's 15. And this also go towards my son's senior year. And next we have this spring fling. Oh, and this challenge is is created by Say with Judy. And spring fling is created by Coco Chic Living. So let's see. How much should I put towards this one? So this one is going to be say for any summer adventures or back to school. So let's do should I do let's start with 20. Let's put $20. So let's do, so that is 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 20, right? 4, 8, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Yes, $20. Okay. Had to make sure that math was mathing. So that's $20. All right. Next is, oh, I forgot to get the Christmas book. Hold on just a second. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I got the Santa's Coming to Town, created by Mid-Chief Managed Budgets and Champagne's Corner. So what I'm going to do is, let's start here. Where's my scratcher tool? I want to put, let's move some stuff down. I want, oh dear. All right, get it together. Get it together. Let's put $40. So let's do a little 40 in a calculator, set 40 to the side. I try to at least do $20 a week. So let's scratch this one here. And that is an 8 and another 8. Okay, so that is $16. So minus 16. All right. Oh, I dropped my vacuum and now it's not working. How embarrassing. So we're going to just have to do that like that. So let's go to the next page. Do we have any more scratches? Yes, we do. So let's go here. All right, and that is a 3, so minus 3. Let's go over here. Oh, another 3. So minus 3. Let's go here. That is minus 2. We get all the low ones. So minus 2. I'm looking for the 4s. So minus 3. Let's go here. Minus 3. Okay. And that is what, a 2 again? Yes. Minus 2. Okay, we can go again. So let's go here. So minus 2. We got 4. So we go one more time. Let's go up here. And look at that. Here goes 4 to play. That was perfect though. So then minus 4. And that was $40. Oh, I forgot this is not working. Oh dear. This is a hot mess. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. So that's $40 for Christmas. Is that the last like scratcher? It is. Okay, okay. All right. $40 going in here. All right. So next is save 2025 and 2025. All right. And how much should we do? That's 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Here. Let me go here first. Let's go to the back to school. The school is cool. And let's put all these ones in here. This is created by Lemon Ivy. And this is saving for back to school. This is 80 plus, because you can save the stars also. So see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's $13. So we got a backpack for 10. And it looked like some pens for 3 for $13. Perfect. I like the little sticker challenges. So cute. And we just put that back in here. And now, oh no, is that the right thing? Yes, okay. Whew. Oh my goodness, this video is like everywhere. Sorry, gems. So, back here. So that's 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. So $85. So let's go ahead and put 85 in the calculator. Let's move some things over. All right. And let's start with the big numbers. So we have 24 here. And this is saving for my taxes for next year. I just want to be a little bit prepared. So let's go with 24. So minus 24. All right, let's do the next highest, which is 23. So minus 23. Perfect. And if I don't need all this for taxes next year, I would just go ahead and roll it over for the next year. Because we're not playing those games. No, we're not. So we'll be, the next highest is 20 over here. So minus 20. So let's do, yeah, this 20 here. Perfect. And we have, do we have an 18? 18 on here? No, but we have 2 9s. Duh, that's 18. So minus 9, minus 9. Yes. So let's do the 2 9s. And that is beautiful. And this is created by the Almost Organized Aisle. All right. Perfect. And that again was 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85. $85. And we are going to put that in there. And I used the prop money because all of that money is sitting in my Capital One high yield savings account, collecting interest or earning interest, as I could say. And that's just an extra savings for me. So thanks again, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.